dreaming a big dream. क्या ये lifetime में will we be able to see this day today when, पूरा दुनिया ये बात करेगा. And for this, in the flight, that how much efforts that everyone's have to speak HPV. It was a crazy moment, everyone have to speak HPV, everyone have to understand cervical cancer, and it was something like a warrior mare na with cervical cancer. Why anyone have to die with cervical cancer? And when we know the science, why can't we really इसे क्यों नहीं implicate कर सकते हैं? ये क्यों नहीं हम उतार सकते हैं हमारे lifetime में? Why can't we emulate it? This was the burning thing for decades, almost 3-4 decades. Oh my God! And believe me, madam, yes, that's something. नहीं और achieve करना है. अभी तो ये baby step लिया है. This is only a vaccination which we have spoken about. Today I was telling a reporter who was just talking to me. I said, now the next main step is their screening. भाई वहाँ पे अभी कदम बढ़ाओ. Vaccination ने तो ठीक है अपना ये ले लिया है. I said like I've come out from a sort of ऊपर से बाहर ऐसे बहुत बार ऊपर जाकर आई हूँ मैं. She knows about it. Amita knows about it that she's smiling. This time was a bigger leap upwards. And then when I came down, I mean, this is how, and I was relating to a person, even he has gone up and come after Venti. So he was saying, madam, और कुछ बड़ा काम है अपने लिए. I said, हाँ अभी तो leap लेना है. अभी तो एक vaccine हुआ है और दूसरा leg है ना.
Government. That all right, if you don't want to give it to boys because it is making it a STD. So Sudha Murthy was approached and she talked in a very loud tone that our women are dying. Why not vaccination? And that is how it has come to this thing. So we are grateful to Sudha Murthy
Absolutely.
to carry over our message to the government of India. And Narendra Modi, we are grateful that this hospital is getting it. So give them a big hand to start the progress. Thank you very much.
Vaccination, we are going to talk about that. They don't develop into CIN. So vaccination is a primary preventive model. So no lady goes into a CIN. That's the understanding. But now let's venture now into CIN. हम उड़ी मारते हैं अब CIN में. Let's understand CIN. Let's understand in a better perspective. I bring greetings from Mumbai and a beautiful truth about women, as what Sudha Murthy said, and I reverberate over here with the William Golding statement. I think women are foolish to pretend they're equal to men, but they are far superior and always have been. We are Durga Matas. I mean, no less than that, I feel. Achieve karna hai to karna hi hai. It's something like that. And why prioritize cervical cancer prevention? Because 8 out of 10 cervical cancers in India still are found late. है ना? आज भी हम देख रहे हैं ना? 480 million women in India are at risk of cervical cancer. It's a second leading cause of death because of among women. And 1 in 53 women in India will develop cervical cancer in their lifetime. And this was Globocon 2022, but Globocon 2024 also has the same results, that the incidence is like 127,000 and mortality 79,906. Prediction for India, if no intervention, thanks to Narendra Modi ji, we will not be having this figure. But the figure was like, अगर ये ना करें तो हमें 57 lakh women will be dying due to cervical cancer by 2070 and 131 lakh in 2120. So could India eliminate cervical cancer? Yes. By 2063, आज का कल का पहला step है जहाँ पे everyone are going to get vaccinated. Putting together screening, that's where you will find it in 2063. And half the mortality by 2036, if that's going together, 90-70-90 target, we have spoken enough. Since past half a decade, we are speaking on 90-70-90. पहला कदम तो बढ़ गया है, अग्रसर हो गया है towards that 90. We have to now, all the think tanks sitting here have to think on that 70 now. That's our motive. The next decade, 2 decades का जो अपने लिए target बैठ रहा है ना, वो अभी 70 का है. And these 3 pillars put together can avert 1 lakh deaths over a decade, 10 million deaths over next century. So this is the graph. आज तक यहाँ था, अब कल से शायद ये ग्राफ यहाँ होना शुरू हो जाएगा. Only intensive vaccination is going to have around more than 2120 coming up. And having intensive vaccination and screening put together, 2060, somewhere we are going to see this. Aaj tak, where are we? 0 to 0.1% for 90%. I mean, of course, the figures are going to raise from tomorrow on. 70% में 3% and 90% में 10%. Was very happy, 2018 MP government. I've got few faces over here like Kalpana and all. Hello, Rachna. So 2018 was where MP government took up this. You remember Rachna, you had come all the way to Mumbai to meet me and wanted a model कि क्या करें स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने कि भाई ये जो कोई बातें नहीं कर रहा था उस टाइम, इट वाज वेरी हल्का फुल्का बातें ना. Nobody was standardized, nobody was having a strategic planning. That I applaud the MP government to take this up, a big round of applause. Not many state governments thought about it. Truly believe me. I come from Maharashtra. I had gone to NHM Maharashtra. I know what's happening inside my Maharashtra. But MP government was, madam, one government. She called me, and this lady sitting here, bright, she wanted me straight onto MP government. I said, Rachna, मेरा और MP government का हाँ वास्ता तो है. I'm from Morena. All that thing तो ठीक है, but suddenly being a master trainer and getting a proper strategic planning, we require a strategic planning. See, बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ करते हैं, अगर वो planning में जाएं तो ढांचा बैठता है and everyone follows it. So वो हुआ 2018 and that's where we see today. But जब हम ये बातें करते हैं of screening, there are a lot of barriers yet. You all will vouch for that. उनको किसी को बोलो ना काउच पे लाई डाउन करने के लिए, कोई मैमोग्राफी को चला जाएगा, ब्लड तो दे ही देगा. बताओ कसकोस डालने के लिए आप में से कितने लोगों ने स्क्रीनिंग कर ली अपनी खुद की? बताइए, हाथ रेज कीजिए. देखिए जी, अब क्या ही बोलूं बताओ. तो स्क्रीनिंग मोडालिटीज की बातें आती हैं तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ये जो सर खुजाना रहता है ना, आज भी चल रहा है. एंड देयर हैज बीन अ पैराडाइम शिफ्ट. हम जब पता है, याद है ना तुझे कल्पना, व्हेन आई बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट एचपीवी, तब बातें आती थी रचना की यार एचपीवी तो क्या है प्रिया, इतना तो कॉस्टली है, कोई क्या करेगा, कोई क्या करेगा, क्या ही कर लेगा एचपीवी. वीआईए भाई, वीआईए में वी शोड हाउ मच वाज द फॉल्स नेगेटिविटी. क्यों नहीं वीआईए प्रोग्राम जो 1953 से आ रहा था couldn't do much for the country? Why? HPV पे चले जाते हैं. I think the day is not, the light is not far where we can really achieve cervical cancer Mukta Bharat. So molecular master trainer herself in Gujarat, everywhere, and she's been talking about HPV way far from when we have been meeting each other. So challenges in PAP again. PAP doesn't have any symptoms. तो हाई सेंसिटिव टेस्ट है. हाई सेंसिटिव टेस्ट होने के नाते कैसा है, इट विल पिक अप ऑल द पॉजिटिव्स, probable positives. It will have true positives as well as it will have false positives. Doesn't matter. HPV की बातें कह रही हूँ मैं. Okay. Inflammatory हमेशा पैप में तो आती है. Okay, before I dwell into one case to make you understand this, but let me put up a little understanding about an HPV. HPV जब आप डालते हो तो it will give you probable positives. अब किसके लिए HPV किया जाए? Screening population who have never gone to a doctor, who is like healthy, yaar, you and me are healthy. Of course, I'm not healthy today, but of course, all of you all are healthy. You people, I mean, we all don't go to a doctor because we think we are healthy. उनमें डालेंगे आप HPV, वो probable positives को इकट्ठा करेगा. अब इसके ऊपर आप काम करोगे. So that's a high sensitive test with a very good negative predictive value. Now coming up with a cohort which are possible positives, you're putting up a test which is having a very high specificity, which is a very high specific test like a PAP test, like a genotyping, like a VIA, like a colposcopy. अब ये क्या करेगा? The true negatives will be shut out and whatever are there is true positives with a very high positive predictive value. So जब कोई केस आता है cases discussion में, तब आप कोड टेस्ट करोगे तो और बेहतर, राइट? I've got one case for you. अब ये देखिएगा यहाँ पे, it's a postcoital bleeding with a white discharge. HPV is 16 positive, PAP is NILM. अब ये है NILM की केस, postcoital bleeding, Nobody is bothered. All the doctors in Hisar, we have centers at, we have a chain of preventive oncology centers. ये हिसार का सेंटर का बात है. अब क्या है कि वहाँ पे ये लड़की को बोल दिया गया कि आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है क्योंकि आपका पैप नेगेटिव है. But in our SOPs, we have that every lady walking into your centers should get an HPV done. HPV was 16. My doctor did a colposcopy. Out there comes up, and I told her, Doc, don't be surprised if this comes up as adenocarcinoma. This came up to be an adenocarcinoma. So that's where molecular test is. Now, postcoital bleeding, postmenopausal bleeding, all these things are high-risk stratifications. You have to do a colposcopy for it. So a molecular test is really very good. This single round of HPV testing also had shown reduction of cervical cancers, and Tamil Nadu studies have shown so many DALIs and deaths are averted even with one-time HPV screening. In fact, I would like to congratulate Anita ji. Menopausal Society had started HPV screening. A big round of applause for us. This was a bold step, a thought process which went ahead to state that, yes, this is required. I'm very happy, and I was keen to know the data, if anyone can provide, because it's now 1 year.
You will be listening to the, oh, you won't be.
I won't be listening, but of course somebody can pass it on to me. I would be really happy to know that. Because in the inception phase, I was the
Interrupt you with a little detail. The organizing chairperson, Dr. Shashi Srivastava, she's the one who has initiated under the committee CSR program
wow.
along with the IMS, and they are doing the HPV COBAS
I know.
test.
I mean, they
Okay,
had asked me and all that thing,
yeah.
and then there was a lot of discussion back and forth, kaun sa test dale and all that.
lot of data.
These terms are only histopath terms. Now, you call it up as LCL and high grade and low grade. And you see the progression. You can see it on the chart. So, SNP with guided biopsy is the main thing. Unfortunately, अपने यहाँ पे जो भी आता है ना, 70% is all with unhealthy cervixes. तो unhealthy cervix का definition क्या है? Many of my students ask me this. Madam, कब बोले unhealthy cervix? अब मैंने जो लाया है ना, I have brought all from all the parts of the country who have come to me, इनकी cervixes to you. तो ये सारा unhealthy cervix है. अब ये unhealthy cervix को क्या किया जाए? You have to, according to ASCP 2020, you have to put up into colposcopy radar. They all have to go into a colposcopy radar, irrespective of their screens. अब कोई भी हो, पैप NINB हो, HPV भाई आपकी negative हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. But an unhealthy cervix has to go under colposcopy radar. So that's one thing to understand the precancerous conditions. We all know persistent HPV is a root cause for CINs and this thing. So HPV structure is simple. So this is one of the eye-opening, data. कि आपके अगर पैप NILM है, फिर भी आपके 16-18 5% है. तो ये आई-ओपनिंग डेटा है. ये जैसे इग्नोर किया जा रहा है. ये डेटा ना सब गोल्ड डेटा, गोल्ड माइन डेटा है ये. LCL बोलो, HCL बोलो, cervical cancer बोलो, 16-18 are the main source. And आप देखोगे कि HPV जब आप कहते हैं ना, एक बात आप ध्यान में रखिएगा. Whenever you're asking an HPV, please take a minute of your time to tell the patient, to tell the lady, look champ, it's not an STD. Yes. Keep your narrative clear. Your narratives have to be clear. When we were invited at NDTV to do some work for them, this thing, there were people from all across the sector, voices. Usme se one voice was, Madam, narrative change kijiye. HPV is not an STD. And even a monogamous relationship can have an HPV anytime in their lifetime. Yeah? So having an HPV doesn't mean I'm a promiscuous person. And having an HPV doesn't mean I have a cancer. It's only the persistent of HPV. तो HPV आ गया है, the infection हो रहा है, तो अपने आप में ठीक भी हो रहा है 70 to 90%. There are certain precancerous changes which are identified by colposcopy. जैसे हम फिर वो cancer treatment अगर नहीं identify करते हैं, नहीं treat करते हैं, तो cancer तक जाता है. So that's your LCL, HCL, SIN1, SIN2, SIN3. Development of cancer is quite simple. It requires an HPV sometime or the other. So many times people have asked me, Madam, HPV negative आया है, फिर भी ये SIN3 है, SIN2 है, कैसे हो गया ये? आप इसके हिस्टोपैथ लीजिए, उसमें कॉइलोसाइट चेंजेस रहेंगे. रिग्रेशन तो हो रहा है ना, बट उसने चेंजेस तो ले आ गए हैं. Are you getting my point? What am I trying to tell you all? Because these are very practical things for which today I am with you. And we are facing this day in, day out. So, अब उसके लिए आ गया एक test is your, P16 KI67. Superb test. अब इसमें क्या आ रहा है, ये प्रोग्रेशन होगा या रिग्रेस होगा, ये समझ में आ जाता है. If it is your dual marker positive, you know that this CIN is a progressive CIN. इसको तो आपको जो है HSIL पे डालोगे और उसको ट्रीट करोगे. So two-tier system of last classification came up with P16 KI67. अब अगर वो नेगेटिव है तो एलसिल में जा रहा है, नहीं है तो फिर एचसिल में जा रहा है. So can you understand these are the great revolutions which has come up with understanding CINs. And we have to curtail ourselves in the green zone. For that, I come up with a fantastic statement. Vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others, so we do have colposcopes. जो ऐसे नहीं दिख रहा है वो colposcopy से दिख रहा है. अब colposcope is the third eye. I mean, you can say I related to my Shiva Bhagwan. उनकी third eye को तो हम तो सोचते हैं भैया ये तो colposcope है. और वी गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट अपनी स्टेटोस्कोप इज कॉल्पोस्कोप यार. अब ये नहीं है तो क्या ही समझोगे सर्विक्स को, क्या ही समझेंगे हम. रोल ऑफ कॉल्पोस्कोपी इन प्रिवेंटिव ऑन्कोलॉजी इज ह्यूज. प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन, रिस्क स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन, सेकेंडरी प्रिवेंशन, स्ट्रैटेजाइजिंग. बायोप्सी क्यों करते हैं कॉल्पोस्कोपी? इज टू फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम वेयर टू टेक अ बायोप्सी. सिंपल. अभी इस लेक्चर में हम क्या क्या करने वाले हैं, बिकॉज आई वॉज गिवन बाय मीता, I don't know, the clock is ticking, but you gave me, yeah, you had said that, isliye I brought an elaborative thing. And I can't run fast because of my, so that was, the clock was ticking, so I thought let me ask the organizers, where am I? All right, so gynecologist's third eye is colposcopy. It was designed by Hans and Zimmer, developed by, of course he had a very, biography was not that great, he was from the NASA's time. And he was using it for some other purpose, but any which way, whatever it is, we pay homage to this person. Today we are standing talking about colposcopy because he was a person, he wanted to see 4 centimeter के नीचे भी क्या दिखेगा क्या हमें, ऐसे टूल डालेंगे तो इतना बड़ा बड़ा सा colposcope लेकर बैठता था वो, huge. So people, over the time it has improved. So indications for colposcopy today is quite clear. Screen positives, unhealthy cervix, hyperkeratotic patch. Risk stratification में postcoital bleeding, intramenstrual bleeding, postmenopausal bleeding, persistent white discharge. What do you mean by persistent white discharge? Definition for persistent white discharge is having 4 times at least minimum white discharge, even though it was treated. So that's persistent. अब हम टर्मिनोलॉजीज में जब जाते हैं तो पहली बात CIN समझने के लिए आप टिश्यू को समझते हैं. So squamous, and I'm going to talk from the clinician point of view. I'm not a pathologist to talk about it. Clinician point of view, where relevance it is. हमें जो squamous epithelium दिखता है pink in color is because of multiple strata. And जब हम बातें करते हैं कि menopausal, this is a menopausal society, अगर menopausal age group में अगर colposcopy किया जाता है तो what happens? Everything is looking white, white, white almost. Why? Because you have only the atrophic epithelium, basal, parabasal, so you have a high NC ratio. Why am I seeing punctation more in a menopausal age group? Because I have this stromal papillae with a stroma mein all the blood vessels getting, invaginated. So, jo bhi as a colposcopist I see, I'm going to see the cut section as fine dots. So you will see multiple fine punctae. Why do you require an SCJ? It is the most dynamic epithelium. Another thing, this is the epithelium where HPV gets lodged. Because HPV per se requires dividing cells. अगर dividing cells नहीं हो ना तो कुछ नहीं होगा. मगर अगर HPV पनपनी चाहिए या बढ़नी चाहिए या more copy numbers have to come up onto your cells, it is onto that SCJ. So SCJ ढूंढना हमारे लिए बहुत important है. So when you understand an SCJ, you understand transformation zone. And when you talk about transformation zone, even though I say this on a chronological order of age and this thing, but it is not so. Sometimes you find TZ3 in a 25-year-old, and you sometimes also find TZ1 in 50-year-old. तो ऐसे नहीं है कि कोई वो अलग है या कुछ है, नहीं. It is just an understanding, that's all. general understanding कि भाई in a pubertal, post-pubertal, you would find ectropion and ectopy for that matter. Ectropion is whenever there is a lateral tear and वो टुक करके open हो गया. Now you are seeing a lot of columnar epithelium, 2/3 cover. Ectopy is, as a physiology, your columnar epithelium has gone till 2/3, that's ectopy. So this is an ectopy, right? And then here SCJ is all onto the cervix, ectocervix, you can see. When the SCJ is within the os or near the os, not within, near the os, and some portion of columnar epithelium is evident, that is TZ2. Now, how do you understand a TZ? TZ is between old SCJ and new SCJ, right? And then if you don't see it, it's TZ3. So that's the positioning of SCJ and the transformation zone. And I bring all disclaimer, these are all from my own textbooks, which are into reference textbooks into all universities. So all these are from there. So here you have TZ1 where your SCJ is completely visible. So where is the transformation zone? क्या ये transformation zone है? नहीं. ये है new SCJ, squamo columnar junction. How do you understand old SCJ? By understanding distal crypt openings. So yeah, so you have all these distal crypt opening. तो ये जो portion है, ये है transformation zone. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? The new SCJ has, and there is a little bit of columnar epithelium which is seen. So now this is my transformation zone 2. Did I not say about this punctations? Atrophic epithelium, you will see. तो इसको लेकर डरना नहीं है कि भाई क्या हो गया. Then you come up with this transformation zone 3, you can see. यहाँ भी बहुत सारे आपको pedicle hemorrhages दिख रहे हैं. You are seeing fine mosaics, you are seeing fine punctations, you are not seeing the SCJ. There comes now mosaics and punctation. Now mosaics are because of this retipex. Now this is seen on a 3D picture as mosaics, and punctations are because of stromal papillae. And if that's there as a mosaics, coarse punctation onto your acetowhite area lesion, then उसमें मायना है, उसको आप relevance दे सकते हो. Otherwise, if you just see one mosaic upshoot, you will not say that there is any relevance to it. Acetowhite lesion के अंदर ये रहेगा, तो फिर जो है, it's having a relevance. So we know now colposcopy. Many of you all are doing colposcopy. Nothing big about it. Information, procedures, entry into software, examination, documentation, follow up, and then you start. First of all, let me reiterate to you this, which I've done many, many times. Only when you see the cervix and cervix looks into you, start the colposcopy. I've seen in many forums, you know, when we are doing live colposcopy demonstrations. Even cervix ऐसा रहेगा, दिख भी नहीं रहा है, तुमको देख भी नहीं रहा है, and you have started the colposcopy. What are you going to gain? Nothing. So please understand, place your Cuscos, choose your Cuscos. Positioning of the cervix is extremely important, then start the steps. So start with a normal saline, look into any polyps कुछ है क्या, hyperkeretic patch है क्या. Look into the original SCJ, look into the blood vessel pattern. Now my colposcopy has become somewhat better is because of understanding the blood vessel pattern. And blood vessel pattern speaks to you. You have to know this for sure. You start loving cervix because of blood vessel pattern. I'm telling you this time and again. Blood vessel pattern में, this is where you see in the original squamous, this is, you see it in metaplastic, this you see on, Nabothian, this you see on menopausal age groups, and this you see it on a healing. So I brought few pictures for you. See this? You see this, what I just told you. Original squamous, metaplastic squamous, you see this. And parallel blood vessel pattern, healing tissue. Now come up with abnormal blood vessel patterns, and they are all over the lesion. So you can have corkscrew type of pattern out over here, you see. Wide and hairpin pattern, waist thread patterns, breaking mosaics, so many things. Then you switch on to your white base and do your acetic acid examination with 5% acetic acid. Now this is all, it's a 3 to 5%, which usually I have been doing with 5% acetic acid. And you know it has to be freshly prepared. 10 ml with 0.5 to 9.5, 20 with 1 and 19, and 100 with 5 and 95. The principle is acetic acid coagulates the intracellular protein, thus obscuring passage of light. Physiologically also you will get VIA positive, but they are then noted as VIA negative. What are they? Metaplastic epitheliums, you know. the metaplastic epitheliums, you are going to get VIA positives, but of course they are then noted as negative. How do you understand VIA positive physiologically from pathological? So there are those 8 points. People who have done courses with me, I have made you all by heart that 8 points. Thin, shiny, translucent, cloudy, merging with the rest of the tissue, then need not be having a set geographical pattern, having a, that's coming up centrifugal. So all these things is there in the, we have discussed about this time and again, but this makes you understand metaplasia from a lesion. As a colposcopist, see, I tell you again, even a Surdas will be able to understand high-grade lesion. क्या ही है high-grade lesion में? आपने डाला, ठक करके आ गया, आपने अपने आप को महान सोच लिया. नहीं, नहीं, नहीं. महान तब सोचिएगा when in the colposcopy you are not able to miss out a low-grade lesion. So 1 minute of application, 1 minute of observation, and in that slowly, steadily a lesion erupts, which is neither milky nor translucent. It's having a set pattern coming up from SCJ, it's staying back, but it's coming a little late. These are the things when I call it as a magical 1 minute. उस magical 1 minute में यहाँ वहाँ देखना या वो ऐसे टुक करती है तो कसको फ्लंज होकर बाहर आता है, and then you are like fiddling with it. Don't do it. Okay, so colposcopy करते वक्त जरा सा टाइम लेकर कीजिएगा. Pathological में we have LCIL, HCIL, invasive CA, condylomatous lesions, so many. Then comes Lugol's. अब Lugol's में क्या ही करेंगे? क्यों कर रहे हैं? पहली बात तो जब भी आप 1 point, take a tip from me today, whenever you put the acetic acid, after 1 minute, take a raw cotton, plain cotton, remove the whole thing which is gone in the trough. Otherwise, Lugol डालते वक्त वो dilute हो जाएगा, फिर आप चिल्लाते रहोगे, sister जी क्या दिया हमें? Now these things are very, very practical points, very practical points. तो Lugols को आपको dilute तो करना नहीं है. You just have to apply it, paint it. And in my 3rd edition, जो last year September release हुई थी, colposcopy in practical gynecology, उसमें for the first time I brought 4 parameters of Lugols. I worked on it. Why I worked on it? Because of this picture. Once, when I was doing a moderation in an international forum, my panelists told, when I asked this, I was amazed and it's the faculty, national faculty telling this is lesion. No. I said, kuch to baba, something I have to bring out for the country to make people understand this, that this is not a lesion. Let's now dwell into it. So I put my brains into a lot of understanding of Lugols. कि क्या है Lugols में जो मेरी faculty ने इसे क्यों कह दिया? So this is the picture which made me think and put up certain things. What are the 4 parameters? Let's understand. One thing, अब ये देखकर मेरे फैकल्टी ने कह दिया था HSIL या कैंसर या जो भी है हम लेट्स करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, फलाना ढिमकाना, सब कुछ कह दिया था. Understanding is so simple कि मैंने अगर Lugols डाला है तो on the columnar epithelium is going to get painted after few minutes, few seconds, paint will go away, pink will come back. Number 1. Number 2, अगर मेरी mature metaplasia है and I have a original squamous which has got glycogen, वो brown color हो जाएगा. Simple. अब बात आती है immature metaplasia की और lesion की. अब इसमें क्या मैंने क्या समझा खुद को, because after doing so many, your eyes gets, it sometimes people say आपके अंदर ही colposcope बैठा है क्या आँखों में? तो ये कैसे आया कि we are looking at into many pictures, बस और कुछ नहीं करते करते हम जरा सा यहाँ तक आ गए. Now, immature metaplasia will never turn its color. It will be no color, colorless. And a lesion will definitely has to change its color into either mustard brown, faint, जो भी है आप जो ही colors कहते हैं ना, canary yellow, all that thing whichever we say, saffron yellow, canary yellow, mustard, ये सब बात आती है lesion की. तो अब यहाँ पे lesion आ गया है. And this is whenever I conduct these fellowship courses, जब doctors आते हैं हमारे पास, I tell them to come right in front of me and tell them to just describe this. This is $1 million picture. अब अगर किसी ने समझ लिया ना, मान लो कॉल्पोस्कोपी आना शुरू हो गया है. So I actually put up one sort of a quiz for them. Show me where is the os. वहां से शुरू. अब अगर os ढूंढने में ही मुश्किल, बेसिक में ही अगर गड़बड़ हो तो कैसे समझे हम? अब ये समझेंगे इस स्ट्रक्चर से. ये दिख रहा है आपको? You have not only to see the color. I can't. मार्कर नहीं आ रहा है. मार्कर नहीं आ रहा है. इसका ना टेक्सचर देखिए. टेक्सचर दिख रहा है? टेक्सचर पे ध्यान देना. नॉट ओनली कलर. कलर तो है कि भाई वो पिंक में बदल जाएगा, मगर अगर मैं ये क्विज दूं आपको और बोलूं कि बताइए एनीबॉडी विल गेट अ प्राइज हु विल शो मी द ऑस, शो मी द लीशन. अगर मैं क्विज रखूं ना तो देयर विल बी पीपल हु विल फंबल आउट. व्हाई? यू हैव टू लुक इनटू द टेक्सचर आल्सो. डिड आई नॉट से columnar epithelium has got granular, it's velvety, it's grape like, it's rough. दिख रहा है ये सारा कुछ, या तो है. And as a lesion has changed its color. And as an immature metaplasia on a Nabatean, it has not changed its color, it's colorless. And as leopard skin patches, आप देख रहे हो, trichomoniasis. So this is $1 million photograph to understand Lugol's iodine. Then of course you have over here, now this, what is this? This is also a texture which is similar to the columnar. So what is that? It's a island of columnar epithelium. अब ये भी तो एक terminology है. And these are satellite lesions and these are lesions. This is a lesion. So here we have, but I think this doesn't work, or it works, I don't know. होगा? हाँ, चलो आ गया. So I'm showing one colposcopy to you all, where you will now start understanding what I told you. ठीक है? अब है कि हमने कसकोस डाल दिया. This is not my video. It is a teaching video which I have borrowed. Okay? मेरी वीडियो दूसरी है, but this I usually don't use this. ये क्या है? Swap stick. I usually use sponge holder and. So, but this is nevertheless a very good video. You can just have a look. So पहली बात क्या हो रहा है कि white discharge निकाल रहा है, and then you are looking into the cervix and trying to find out after normal saline. सारा कुछ निकल गया, normal saline सारा निकल गया. अब आप start कर रहे हो looking into distal crypt openings. You will have to understand distal crypt openings. Cropped up video है जरा सा. Then green filter. Try to understand what all the different blood vessel patterns. फिर timer switch करेंगे. Timer is for 2 minutes timer, right? 1 minute and 1 minute of this. Timer switch करने के बाद take up the good whatever acetic acid हमने prepare किया है. अब यहाँ पे एक बात मैं कहना चाहूँगी आप लोगों को, and this is again an eye opening. One of my students, he was so much interested, and जब मेरी वो first book आई थी, first book I'm talking about 2015 की टाइप, वो इतना सारा पढ़ के समझ वो he was burn हो गया. बोले burn हो गया, क्या हुआ? He said, no, you only told no 5%. I said, यार तूने concentration उल्टा कर दिया. So please, everything is learning for me also. And we are trying to understand the USC. And as I told you, everything is white on your columnar epithelium. Why? Because there are metaplasias happening. अब धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, वो मेटाप्लेजिया निकल जाएगा, बिल्कुल वो पिंक कलर में बदल जाएगा. ठीक है, पिंक हो ही रहा है. अब जो बाकी है, it's like you have understood the new SCJ, started understanding the lesions. Pattern आ गया. It's a dense aceto-white with slight mosaic pattern arising from SCJ. And आप देखोगे यहाँ पे भी है. Now if I compare this with this, difference है? Definitely है. What do you mean by translucency? You can see within it. तो यहाँ पे translucent है, यहाँ पे dense, opaque. And then you go around and try to find out various lesions. अब lesions हो गया है. This is a teaching video, so they have kept it till 4 and all. You can just finish it by 2 minutes. बंद कर दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. You have understood where the lesions are. Then you take up Lugol's and nicely just paint it. ठीक है. अब देखते हैं what I told you, does this have any meaning? जो मैं अभी नए मेरी वो थर्ड एडिशन में ले आई हूँ, क्या इसमें मीनिंग है देखते हैं. अब देखो ये लुगॉल्स डलेगा यहाँ पे. अब लुगॉल्स डलने के बाद हमें समझना है जो मैंने थियोरी में ले आई थी 4 टाइप्स ऑफ लुगॉल्स. अब उसकी बारी आ गई, जजिंग दैट. अब हो गया है ब्राउन आ गया, जो पूरा था वो पेंटेड हो गया है. इट्स जस्ट पेंटेड, ओके. पेंट अब धीरे धीरे निकलना शुरू हो जाएगा. दे विल बी कमिंग अप, पिंकिश होना शुरू हो जाएगा. ऑल दीज इज अ कॉलमनर एपिथेलियम. ऑलरेडी द पिंक हैज स्टार्टेड, यू सी अबाउट दैट. एंड ओनली द लीशन, अब फोकस होगा देखिए, दैट इज चेंजिंग इट्स कलर. It is changing its color to canary yellow, sometimes saffron yellow. Look at that. It's changed its color. This is where you have to understand where to take a biopsy from. ना कि सारा कुछ लेकर लेट्स कर दूं, सारा कुछ लेकर लेट्स कर दूं. नहीं नहीं, आप कॉल्पोस्कोपी किस लिए बने हो? इसी के लिए तो बने हो. और फिर आप देखिए, and that's exactly where you go taking a punch biopsy. Biopsy लेते वक्त there is no need to give local. No need to कुछ नहीं, पंच लीजिएगा बढ़िया सा, put it and take a nice bold punch. That's it. Okay, so now they will take a punch biopsy in this video and they will be given for histopathological examination. And can you see that what I told you? Is it making sense? क्या मैं ऐसे बकबक कर रही हूँ? I think it's making sense, right? So you're understanding कहाँ से बायोप्सी लेनी चाहिए. अब लेने के बाद आपने क्या कर दिया, आपने एक पंच लेकर एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट पुट अ टैम्पून और विद अ लॉन्ग थ्रेड ऑफ कोर्स. तो बस दैट्स इट. एंड गिवन फॉर histopathological examination, put it up into cardiac diagram, and then language onto reporting system is important with IFCPC terminologies, and I have zeroed in to make you all understand the general assessment. This is adequate. Colposcopy, this is inadequate. No more we are using satisfactory. Mature epithelium, atrophic epithelium, ectopy, ectropion. We talk about Nabothian glands and the crypts opening, deciduous in pregnancy. I'm just going chronologically, okay, because I don't have a pointer. Then low-grade lesions, high-grade lesions, minor, major. Then you've got keratic, hyperkeratic patches. This is ulcerations. Erosions. अब ये word erosion को please जब eroded है तो बोलिएगा, नहीं तो मत बोलिए. Okay, and then you have atypical vessels out there, you have necrosis, then you've got this congenital anomalies. This is a congenital transformation zone. Now then these are your different types of polyps and congenital anomalies. Then you have endometriosis, fibroids, herpetic lesions. Once you describe it with the IFCPC, you have to score it either through read or through SWEDE. SWEDE is easy because 10, very easy. Learning curve, superb. You don't have to become a Picasso to understand the colors. Whereas I love myself to do with read, because there are those color combinations. We had done a study of 650 cases, readed and sweded, and I found, and that had published also, that my over-treatment with screen and treat with read was less compared to swede. But nevertheless, it didn't miss out. So you have this on 0, 1, and 2 with acetovitreous margin, vessel, lesion size, iodine staining. Just for few, this thing, now this case I'm sweding it with total 4, histopath CIN1. Here I'm sweding it to total 7, 8, CIN2. And here I'm sweding it to 8. Look at that, how am I putting up? It is CIN3. This is, I'm sweding to invasive cancers. This is sweded to 10, it's invasive cancer. Again, don't forget one important story. Adeno part. Just don't look into the ectocervix. अंदर भी देखिए, grated coconut appearance. So this is sweded to 10. Again, it's adenocarcinoma in situ. Instrument trolley, extremely important. Most of these instruments are all spec designed by our own self. I mean, we have been using our own spec designed ones. So you have these things, and you have a tisular biopsy forceps, you have an endocervical speculum, you have, this is my own patented one with a patency number. So this is PGK, a tissue holding forceps, it's Teflon coated, endocervical curate, vaginal speculum. I'll just give you one understanding of why should you have in the first place a good instrument. This is one case from Jaunpur. And this lady, the son had taken the mother ko pap karte LCL, bleeding on touch. Doctors from Jaunpur said colposcopy but no reporting and sent over here to us at Thane. So first I put the Cusco's deceptive look of cervix, don't know where to take the biopsy from. And the son is so intelligent, he's saying, I want a stamp paper report that my mom should go for a hysterectomy or no. So you're my last resort and I've come to you. That's the story. And I've done a sonography, I've cervix flushed it, vagina. Now I use those instruments. I'm using the vaginal speculum, then I've put up that understanding for os, then I'm holding it. I can't hold the cervix with any tenaculum, Alice or valsalum, can I? It's an atrophic thing, yeah, it will rupture inside. So there comes, I blessed myself that Devi Ma, तुमने जो दिया था ना, this इस case के लिए बहुत use हुआ. And then I've done a biopsy, and there I get all my reports. LBC, NILM, HPV, negative, histopath, chronic cervicitis. Does she require a hysterectomy? No way. अब आए दूसरी बात, ये तो latest हाल ही का था, just 1 month before. Okay, this is a 57-year-old. She is referred for HSIL to me. HPV 35 लेकर आई है मेरे पास, सारा रिपोर्ट लेकर आई है. Colposcopy, अब ये ना देखो और ये सिर्फ 3 को देखो. You just don't look into that and look into this. Colposcopy तो looks normal. Had I not had my endocervical speculum and curette, the core test came later on, HPV non-16-18 positive. I had repeated her PAP, which was LCIL. You know, see, I had done an ECC, and that came out to be high-grade dysplasia, mostly adenocarcinoma in situ. Instruments. You can't do without instruments. This is what I had done. So now, once you do all these things, you do have to have a case management. You know, ऐसे छोड़ देंगे थोड़ी कि भाई आपको HSIL, and every time it's not a hysterectomy, please. It's not hysterectomy क्योंकि hysterectomy करने के बावजूद भी VAIN आता है and all that, okay? So you have ablative method, you have excisional methods, guidelines are given for what is the eligibility, तो सारा कुछ दिखना चाहिए, entire lesion should be on the cervix, is for criteria for ablations. For ablations and screen and treats are also there, you can use these methodologies. Cryo है, thermal ablations हैं. I'll brought one video if it plays, I would be happy to share this with you. Look at that. Ablations, how many of you all are using thermal ablations? Yeah, using cryo. So thermal ablation is, the limitation there is a limitation na cryo mein, ki your lesion should be the 2/3 of the cryo ball. That all is like surpassed because you can apply multiple times. You can overlap your lesions. So, and simple, 20 seconds. How does it work? Intracellular water getting vitrified, thereby denatured, cells goes away, new cells forms, and that's it. What's the temperature you're using? You're using around 110 degrees centigrade. And that's it, see? 5 seconds, finished, 20-second procedure, done. And I was very happy when, who is our, this thing, MPK, whom I was, Archana. Archana ने क्या कहा था 2018-19 में मेरे से कि madam, because I'm a master trainer, before she takes any decision, she gives me a call when she sits in front of the cabinet. Madam, should I tell about thermal? I said, please go ahead saying thermal. So thermal ablation but came. I think your MP government brought up thermal ablation in various, है ना कल्पना? है ना? मेरे को ज्योति भी बोली थी सिमलोट की सब मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में सब जगह पे आ गया है thermal madam. So that's fantastic, and that's exactly how it is. It's simple. No refilling gas is required, nothing. अब देखिए एक thermal ablation का this is a 50-year-old. Micturiation है, burning micturiration, white discharge, ऐसे कितने लोग आते हैं अपने पास? बहुत लोग आते हैं ना? We are all menopausal age group, I mean, practitioners. HPV was not detected, LBC is NILM, but look at her colposcopy. अब दिख रहा है unhealthy cervix? अब इसमें हमने क्या किया? Thermal किया, and she was CIN2 on biopsy. Thermal किया, thermal करने के बाद देखिए post thermal. बढ़िया. I couldn't have done anything else for her. I couldn't have done a cryo, couldn't have done anything else, no LETs and all, because क्यों करूँगी LETs? But thermal, and look at her, all her symptoms are clear. Cryo जो हम बोलते हैं, cryocoagulation is intracellular water getting vitrified. वहाँ पे desiccated होता है, यहाँ पे vitrified होती है. And cryo का तो we know, we have been doing it ageless, timeless, we have been doing cryo, low learning curve. But problems are gas cylinder हमेशा fill चाहिए, कभी कभी probe काम नहीं करता है, आपका probe में वो अटक जाता है, so many things are there. आपकी visor में टूट गया तो हाथ पूरा आपका nitrous भर गया हाथ में. So many things. And now is era of thermal. Then excisional methods are there. LEDs hai, laser hai, SWEDs hai, everything are there. LEDs is beautiful. I mean, how many people of you all are doing LEDs? Wonderful procedure which has to be learnt properly. Tissue is not, it's fulgurated, no? It's fulguration and cutting. It's not cutting with the knife. It's like burning, charring, and it's just walking through a butter. And different types of LEDs are there. You have to use a blend cautery. It's a fulguration current. See a case, 43-year-old menorrhagia, fibroid uterus, for PAP was as sketch, sent to me, and I did a screen and treat. There and then, HPV result came later on. Superb. This is a short video of LEDs so that it gets a wholesome understanding of how LEDs goes, and I hope this works. Yeah. So you use LEDs by only doing a local. You don't give general anesthesia, don't give spinal, nothing here. You just use 2% xylocaine liberally. I tell you, liberal is a word. Tuck, 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 intracervical shots dete jao. Wait for some time. Take a charred your thing, and then jara sa rakho. That's how you give a fulguration current. And then after some time, touch, and it will just walk through like a cutting in across the butter. So that's the LEDs video. And this was CIN3, and then a recolposcopy was done, and she was normal. HPV became negative. Ab aati bari hai ki how do you do a follow-up? So I want to tell you about a follow-up. This is a case of 46-year-old, white discharge, atypical reactive changes on PAP. जब मेरे पास आई थी, she was sent for management and further discussion. I did a HPV, she's 18 positive. You can see 18 positive case. And this is her colposcopy reports. I couldn't have done a conization also because there would have been a little bit of, because it's a large lesion. She went in for TLH. This is CIN3. TLH again came up as CIN3 margins. I mean, all that thing was fine. Ab bari aati hai, how do you keep her under her follow-up? Ab dekho. How do you keep such cases in follow-up? You do a core test again after 1 year. HPV was 2287, heavy, very heavy RLU. Same genotyping. That means it is the same HPV still. PAP was NILM. And then when we did vault vaginoscopy, you have to do a vault and vaginoscopy for her. And there was somewhere a hidden lesion. And believe me, vault and vaginoscopy is a little difficult because you have those rugae, you have to go within the rugae. You have to be a little bit more patient and go all 360 degree to find out. So this was a cropped up video for you all, and there comes an understanding. Now you will see what I saw at that time. Can you start seeing those lesions coming up? Hidden somewhere in the dog ear, hidden somewhere onto that vaginal part. Taken up a biopsy, and that was VAIN2. We sent it to TMH, VAIN1. We went in for doing imiquimod therapy, and this lady became normal. So take-home messages are there. You have to keep your patients. If you have done a hysterectomy for CINs, keep them for minimum 20 years. Every year, do a HPV test at least for 10 years and then 3 years. We all have this GCPR with us, which came up when I was Onco Committee Chair of FOXY. And Dr. Maheshwari, Amita was also a part of my, hi Amita. So we did a lot of brainstorming. We were only eating and drinking and sleeping only with GCPR. So this formulations came up with screen and treat guidelines, screen triage and treat guidelines. I'm sure you all have it, so I'm not wasting time over here. So definitely it's a team approach. Today, standing over here, we pay homage and respect to all the scientists, John Papanicolaou, Hans Helsenbell, Harald Zerhusen, Ian Fraser. It's not a dead end, it's an alternate ending, and a lot of training programs are on. If anyone interested can take up this calendar event of, every year we come up with a calendar training programs, if most of you all have already had with it. Now upcoming is 7th to 11th. Books are all there. I'm very happy that Jeffcott this edition brought up my chapter, so, and then all these books are all there. So thought of the day, let's have an out-of-box thinking to explore new frontiers. And eyes are useless when the mind is blind. And stitching time saves nine is very, very right. Tomorrow, Modi's this thing, that this thing is the launch is going to be the biggest thing which we are going to have in our India. And this is my, you can reach out to me on this number on my mail ID. And I leave you all with a wonderful this thing saying that valuables we carry may impress others, but the values which we hold will inspire others. Thank you very much for appreciating.